All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're digging into the Security First Digital Platform, also known as SFDP.
So, is your office still buried in paper? A lot of places are, and it really holds them back. You know the drill: zero visibility, security risks, wasted time, and just plain bad data for making calls. That's where SFDP comes in. It's built to digitize that entire operational layer of your business.
Okay, let's get into it. First up, how it locks down security for your people and property. So its visitor management feature, it ditches those old paper logbooks for a secure, totally traceable digital system.
And the expected visitor flow makes it a breeze. You can pre-register guests and send a QR pass right to them. I mean, look at the difference. It's the slow, insecure past versus the fast, secure SFDP way. No contest.
It's a big boost for safety too. Security Patrols uses geolocation to verify routes and create digital logs. All right, next up, let's see how it makes daily workflows for your team way smoother.
Okay, check this out. Service requests are logged, assigned, and tracked digitally. That means faster fixes, period. It even handles all the movement of stuff, digitizing delivery and courier records to stop disputes and lost packages. And get this, staff attendance is way easier. Mobile check-ins give you accurate, real-time records. Simple.
So here's the cool part. All this routine work, it's now being turned into super valuable data. The secret sauce is digital registers. They can replace literally any paper form and create structured, useful data. And we're talking rich data here. Photos, geolocation, QR scans, even digital approvals. It's all there. With this data, you can finally measure what actually matters, like how happy your visitors and customers are. You can use things like surveys and NPS analytics to see trends and get feedback for improvements. So, what's the bottom line? It's how all these features combine to really transform your operations. You get that full visibility, total accountability, and easy compliance. It all leads to smarter, data-backed decisions. And getting started isn't some huge, complex thing. You just start by digitizing what you do every day. You just build that visibility and insight one process at a time. That's how you build momentum.
So, the real question is, are you ready to ditch the paper and spreadsheets for good?